ZaPable, over 30 amazing features build a beautiful and functional app. Sell digital products in-app with Zap Digital. Ebooks, audio, PDF, step-by-step courses. Sell like an app with Zap Ecom. Integrates with Teespring, WooCommerce, Shopify, Volusion, Magento, and many more. Membership apps sell access to membership app. Integrates with Wishlist, ClickFunnels, Teachable, and Kajabi. Take payments in app. Integrates with PayPal, Stripe, JVZoo, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus. Push notification. Send instant push notifications to people with the app. Create instant mobile apps. Access apps via a direct web. App URL, no more paying Apple 30% for in-app purchases. Automated Apple submission. New technology enables a rapid app submission process. Submit to Google Play/Android. Get live in the Google Play Store within 72 hours. Digital loyalty cards. Our next-gen QR code scanning enables digital loyalty cards and employee control customization. Audio integration. Integrate into SoundCloud, iTunes, Spotify, and Deezer. Video gallery. Share your videos on YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, and many popular video services. Image gallery. Showcase beautiful images of clients' businesses' services. Discount coupons. Entice people into your brand with time-sensitive discount coupons. Real estate listings. Build amazing directories listing all available properties and features with the option to book an appointment. Folder icon. Folders, working title. Create unlimited categories and subcategories in your app. Maps. Share your business's location with one-click Go function. Form builder. Build fully customizable forms to collect clients' leads, quotes, etc. QR coupons. Encourage repeat business by offering easy scan QR coupons. Also encourage people to download your app. Drag icon. Full customizable design drag and drop. Pre-installed templates and full build from scratch functionality. Multiple app menu layout options. Reorder your app layout within seconds with our lightning-fast and user-friendly interface. Client white label members area. Offer clients their own private login area with your company branding. Restaurant apps plus food menus. Share your restaurant's menus in PDF format. Online food ordering integration. Integrate into Just Eat, Grubhub, Deliveroo, and many more. Social media wall. Allow app users to share, like, and comment directly within the app itself. Autoresponder integration. Integrates with ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, MailChimp, and any more. Appointment forms. Allow clients to book scheduled appointments and set their availability. Invite a friend. Share your app with other people with a totally customizable reward plan. Social media. Share your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn profiles. Privacy policy. Stay compliant and share your company privacy policy.